Hi everyone, today we are going to see the string concept in Python, how strings are used in Python. So first we will understand what is string. A string is simply a collection of characters or alphabets, numerical, numerics, numeric or combined alphanumeric and symbols. Generally in Python, strings are always written inside quotes. The quotes either single quote or double single quote, double single quote or double quote. So how to create a string? So to create a string, the variable needs to be initialized and value should be assigned. Let's see practically how strings, the variable name equal to, let's say, John. So here the value is John and it is within the quote, double quotes. That means it's a string. It is a string. If I print the variable name, it will print the text that is John, which is a collection of characters. So it successfully printed John. John is a collection of characters and it is called string in Python. Then how to access each individual character. Each individual character. Let's take the same variable name equal to John. If I print each value by using index. So then how to is by using index print any character in the string. So the string allows indexing in Python. Okay, it successfully printed the each letter separately because the a of 0 is j, name of 0 is j, name of 1 is o, name of 2 is h, name of 3 is n. So that's why it printed, and it printed in a separate line because the print function always used the separate line. So if we don't want to use print function, let me use the nth property within the print and give space. Then it allowed to print within the same line but adding spaces, or even we can remove the spaces as well. Let me add space here, and if you run it, okay, John, it just tells the programming instead of creating a new line, just end with a hyphen. Okay, so we will remove this. Yeah, so John. And important point is index always starts from 0. Okay, so that's why j is 0 and 1 2 3. And string index also support backward indexing. Means we can access characters from the back or from the last character to first character in the string. So then how it works? So this index gives last character as -1. So the character starts from the last. So the n is -1, h is -2, o is -3, and j is -4. And if we print -4, okay, it is j. So if I print -1, it is n. Okay, if I print -3, it is o. Okay, it's successfully printed. So this is how we access characters in string, either from the front end direction, that means first character to last character, or we access characters from last to first. And how to find string length by using Python inbuilt function. Let's say text as a variable equal to the word Python, and we have a function called length. So if I print length of text, it is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the length function counts total characters in the string. How to perform string concatenation, that means joining two different strings. Okay, let me type concatenation joining two strings or more. So let's say the variable called first equal to hello, and variable second equal to world, and I am merging these two by using concatenate operator, that is plus plus, and adding giving space to look good, to make equal spaces between the first and second. And if I print result, so what will happen? The hello is the first, and second world is belong to second, and I'm adding spaces and I'm concatenating two or joining two strings by using plus operator. So the hello world successfully printed by using concatenation by adding two different. So the next one, uppercase, these are useful string methods, uppercase and lowercase. So let's say the variable called text equal to hello, so completely all of them are lowercase. If I print text dot upper, so it actually capitalized each letter individually and made entire word as a uppercase letter. So we can do the same thing for lowercase as well. Hello. So this is uppercase. Oh no, this is not uppercase. L logo. Yeah. So if I make it lowercase, yeah. So this is successfully converted from uppercase to lowercase by using lower function, and the lowercase hello converted into uppercase by using upper function. How to replace strings? In Python? Okay, let's have a string. Okay, let's take same variable text equal to I like Python. Okay, so I am replacing by using the replace method text dot replace Python into Java. So the text is I like Python, and the replace function find the word Python and replaced with Java. So the result is I like Java. These are all the Python basics we just saw. So let me summarize. String is simply a collection of characters. The characters are either alphabet, numeric, or alphanumeric, or even symbols. So strings are always written inside quotes, either double quotes or single quotes. To initialize, to assign a string, so we need variables. And then we saw how to access string characters by using indexing concept, and how to navigate indexing through negative, that means negative values. And we saw how to find out the length of the string, how to concatenate string, and how to make lower and upper functions. Finally, how to replace strings in Python. Thank you. Follow me for more such videos.